From playlist to perfect planet. For months, I wrestled with silence, doubt, and long nights of work. 3 months of grinding, sacrificing, and pushing through the torture of creation. But finally, it's finished. The greatest YouTube music playlist ever built. 400+ music videos. 105+ hours of non-stop music and story. This isn't just a playlist. It's a living musical storyline. A journey designed to carry you from pain to purpose, from chaos to clarity, from division to world peace. The vision. Somewhere out there, the record stands. 105 hours of continuous songs. But here's my conviction. Records aren't walls, they're invitations. With this playlist, our goal is to break through limits. To sing all 374 songs together, to beat the record, and more importantly, to prove a deeper truth. We don't need special bloodlines or secret codes. We don't need the blessings of presidents or elites. Every human being carries the same potential because we are all energy. The true code is not in genetics but in discipline, clarity, and practice. Lessons for life. Discipline, time. Studies show if you repeat something 21 times it becomes habit. Read something 6 times and you're 63% more likely to remember it. What you practice becomes who you are. Healing power of music. Music transforms scars into songs, pain into power, silence into rhythm, presence over hours. Like parenting, like friendship, it's not the length of time that matters, but the presence, the intention, the fire you bring into the moment. World peace through energy. When you release judgment, discrimination, and fear, when you train your mind, spirit, and body together, you align with a higher energy that flows through you and into others. The challenge. This playlist is more than entertainment. It's a call to action. Follow the musical storyline all the way through. Sing, move, and feel the message in every track. Break free from the paradigms of fear and doubt. Join in proving that practice plus vision equals sign transformation. Because world records aren't really about numbers. They're about proving what humanity can do when it stops waiting and starts believing. World peace, one song at a time. I built this through pain, late nights, and resilience. People mocked, doubted, and tried to block my flow. But every obstacle became fuel. Every struggle became proof. This is my offering, not just a playlist but a pathway. A reminder that when energy flows without blockages, when creativity meets conviction, we create something greater than ourselves. Let this be the anthem for a new generation. Let this be the rhythm of world peace. Let this be proof that from discipline, energy, and love, we can build a perfect planet, created by Juan Michael Valance Jr. No blockages, pure flow, smooth energy.